I always wonder, what is love? Is it burning red or ocean blue? I never felt the butterflies like those lovers do until I met you. You're standing there, I'm holding my breath, cause I'm terrified to tell you that I think I'm in love with you.
Excuse me?
I told you lot, she was hitting on me on the plane ride over.
I was not hitting on you.
I like to hear your stumble words when you tell me your theories. They call us nerds, like hell I give a damn what people care, when all I see was your perfect hair. Can't seem to get enough of that mesmerizing glare, and I was like, I think I'm in love. But what is that? Storm clouds of gray blocking me out from your way. Can I get through all your icy haze? If you let me stay, is it too late?
I'm sorry, I turned you down.
I
think I fell in love with you.
It's far too complicated.
Lay a crush. Wasn't love.
I'd be your sunshine in the rain. I will light your darkest days. So trust me, baby, let me stay. I promise you'll be okay. Cause I will be your sunshine in the rain.
Things with Mino and I are just, they're complicated right now.
I never thought you'd be the one.
I hate Mia!
Hey, Kitty! Young and dumb, can't seem to forget about your everlasting stare. And I was like, I think I'm in love.
I always thought there was a vibe between you two.
It's bad enough that you broke my heart.
Broke your heart?
Never love again. Is it too late?
I think I fell in love with you.
It's far too complicated.
Forget what I said.
We got this, don't we? You cannot still be mad at me. I also have something else I need to tell you. I miss you. I liked you. Till your heart was never fully in it anyways.
I wanted to back the time and held your hand in mine. Had I known you were in pain, I'd be your sunshine in the rain.
I have fallen for me a little bit, or a lot.
You two clearly have some epic thing going on here.
I am just terrified.
Be yours forever till the end.